morning, guys, and welcome back. And yes, we're on our way over to the Miami Boat Show. And yeah, they have moved it for the past year, and they're located now at Key Biscayne because I guess the Miami Convention Center is being under construction. But yeah, I mean, it was pretty crazy. The parking here was pretty bad, and then we had to get shuttled from the parking to the show.
What's up? 2018 boat show. Having a good time here with Fresco Channel, no? Fresco Channel.
Well, for waiting about another 20 minutes on the checkpoint, and yeah, we finally made it in. So let's look around and see what we can find. And actually, this boat here caught my eye because it was pretty weird shaped, but it looked pretty comfortable. I mean, I wouldn't buy this type of boat, but I decided to go ahead and show you guys because it looked unique.
You're the driver of this boat?
Of course.
Yes. Okay, let's take a look at this 36-foot center console glass stream, and must go pretty fast because it was powered by triple 400 Mercs. So I mean, it really caught my eye. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I didn't find a salesman, so I couldn't find out what was the top speed on the boat and the cruising speed. So let's keep looking around. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is the new Scarab 302. If you guys are familiar with Scarab, they're well known for the speed haul that they stopped making in 2002, I think. So this is a new, all redesigned haul. So let's take a look at it and tell me what you guys think.
Nice. We should have gotten this instead of
Oh yeah. Oh, a lot of. Yeah.
Yeah, these are all lighted. You got your bait station right in the middle there. Get your bait ready. Check this out. That flips around, so you can get ready.
Oh, that's cool.
Fish.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah. Plenty of space to walk around. It's got all the slip resistant mechanical tool there. That's the thing with Wellcraft. It's just solid, man. You know the way these things are built.
9 feet wide. Yeah, this is pretty wide.
Yeah.
You seen that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Check out the cup holder, rod holders.
Oh, that right there.
How about that? Yeah. Just see the inside.
Oh, that's nice.
I can picture myself right here.
You can picture yourself there? Oh, that's pretty nice.
Look what's nice. You got 3 different steps for different height people. Or if you're leaning, because this has the lean feature.
We do a lot of boating, like recreational fishing, also.
Right. Well, what's nice about this boat is that it's got like family stuff that play out.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, check this out. This is cool.
Oh, cooler.
Yeah, and you would think, okay, that's going to be too heavy, but I want you to see how solid this thing is. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere.
Oh, the tray is pretty strong.
Yeah. So you get your drinks out, spin out.
Wow. Oh, electric.
Oh, yeah.
Windlass?
Yeah, the windlass
Perfect.
on the front.
She's
That's
my
what we
windlass
need,
now.
Yeah, but that's it. That's what I need.
That's it?
Yeah.
She's my windlass now. Well, that was good though.
All the storage. And there's even deep storage for like, things you're not going to use as often.
Yeah.
You see how Wellcraft finishes everything? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's right here.
You guys both go over there. Go that side, both of you. And I'll open it so you can see. Now, one of the nice things is look at this top. this comes out so you don't hit your head when you go down.
Wow.
See that?
No, for me, I don't leave it on.
Wow, yeah, that's pretty nice.
Space down there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Look what we found at the Marine 7 display booth. Let's take a look at this beautiful monster that I would love one day to have 2 of them on my boat, but I think of the price correctly. I think they're like $70,000 each. Can't handle that right now.
¿No ve el número ahí? Tiene 527 caballos.
Okay, it's time to go outside and catch some sun and see what they have displayed out here.
Benny Owen. From where? North Carolina, you said?
South Carolina.
Oh, South Carolina.
Wow.
Yeah, that's far. That's good.
Everything's different here where I live, but I watch the sandbar and all the stuff that I didn't know about.
Oh, for real?
I watch it. I never did that.
Yeah. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of activities to do here.
Yes, a lot.
It's fun.
A lot different. Nice meeting you.
Okay, likewise.
Nice meeting you.
Okay.
Meeting you. Bye-bye. Take care.
It's always a good feeling meeting new people, and those people that came up to me on the show and said hi. Nice to meet you, and I'm glad you guys enjoy the videos. And right now we're gonna walk over to the wet docks and see what they have. And like you guys can see, there's a lot of boats here in display. It's amazing how they built this place here. I mean, I don't know how long it takes them, but this is all, you know, built just for the show and then took it apart afterwards. Okay, and who says you can't dream while you're awake? We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this 80-foot yacht.
What are you doing? Wow. This is like a house.
This is all I need.
That's all you need? Sweet. Wow, this is... Wow. I like it.
For breakfast.
What do I want for breakfast? Oh, you got almost a full-size refrigerator on this.
Actually, let's have somebody else cook.
Wow. I like this one. Well, there's a door right here.
Just
It's a monster.
luxury. Oh my god.
What's down there? It's 3 bed. What is this bathroom down here?
Oh my god.
Oh, this is the master.
Oh my god. Can you buy me one of these, please?
Sure. Take 2. Wow, this is like a hotel. This is super nice.
We can only dream.
Wow, this is... Where's the bathroom?
Right here.
In besten Zeiten hätte ich dieses Halbangebot auch gemacht. Aber
Nett.
das ist jetzt nicht gerade so.
Wow, this is... That's a full-size toilet.
Curious.
Wow. And this is... Oh, this is a little room. Wow.
Very nice. Yeah.
For the kids. Wow. Where's the closet? Yeah, there's a closet. Wow, this is like a dream. And there's another... This is like another master up here. Wow, look at the... Look at the... Oops. Look at the... Sorry. Wow, look at it. It's like a semi-master. You know what I like? It has a lot of windows. I like it has a lot of windows to look outside. Oh, but wow.
For all your storage needs.
All my storage needs.
All the tequila bottles.
Look at the bathroom. Wow, look at that sink.
Let me see. Let me imagine. Let me just.
Francine, come down here.
Mom, look. Mom.
Oh no, Fran, we could all be on the stove. Why? No, Fran. Fran. The whole family could come on the stove.
No, yeah, went to the room down there.
Oh my God, Francine, come here. Maybe then I should leave. Maybe then I should leave speech coma right now. Come here.
Mom.
This is crazy. This is the best, like, divided one I ever
Where's the other
seen.
two? Yeah, but I'm saying if you go off the jet ski,
Wow. Yeah? Wow, this is gorgeous. I love these windows. That's the best part I like about those, all the windows.
No, mejor de bote is the AC.
Oh, funny. Get it, see how much that is. See how much it is? Just curious.
I need my baking soda.
Wow. Oh, it has a second floor. Oh, there's a second floor. Ouch. Ouch. I guess it needs to be a little bit bigger. Wow, look at this. It's like a sun thing. Look at this thing. Then you can drive from up here. Then you can drive from up here.
Okay.
Wow.
What do you think that's great?
Tequila shot.
I don't know, but I'm gonna check it out. The engine room.
Oh my God.
Oh no, this is the workers. This is the maid's quarter.
I can be a maid.
Look at this. Oh, look at the engine room. Oh my God. This is crazy. Look at the engine room. Wow. Get next to it so people see how big the engines are. Look at the engines. They're humongous. Wow, this thing is crazy. Wow. You want? We'll take the back of the boat. We'll buy the back of the boat. Yo, this is crazy. Yeah.